Right then, so this is the thrust washer, which goes in between the headstock spindle and the bit where the headstock spindle is clamped, the bearing. And they go in here and here. And I think originally it had one, and then this pulley here is pushed up to the back there to stop any slop moving in and out. So what I've done is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some new ones up for it, like 3 or 4. Right, so the thrust washers, I'm just making out of some bronze. I drilled in with a 14mm drill bit and then bored it the rest of the way with a small boring bar. And I've left just enough just to be able to sand the inside when it's finished, and then it should be fine. Should have a nice smooth finish on the inside. So now I'm just going to part one off. There we go, that one's done. Just needs to be cleaned up with some emery paper. Also got a thicker one here, just got to clean the inside up. Right then, so there's the original thrust washer, and I made 5 in total. I put 2 in, and I've got 3 left over plus the original. I've made them varying thicknesses, doesn't really make much difference. So now I'm able to put a washer this side as well as this side, and then I can push this pulley up onto it reasonably tight but still allow it to move, and then it gives a lot better accuracy rather than the spindle keep pushing backwards and forwards when you're turning stuff, because the only thing that holds the pulley in place and keeps it from moving is a set screw which is in the pulley. So yeah, that's a lot better now. It's a lot more accurate, although it was reasonably accurate anyway, but it's even better now. So I'm pretty happy with that. And yeah, the spindle, when I took it apart, it is actually just like brand new inside. So yeah, it's in pretty good condition. There's no grooves either side of the bearing or anything, so whoever used it either didn't use it a lot or looked after it really well, or like I said before, it's been refurbished at some point, because it has got a through-hole spindle. I don't know if all these had through-hole spindles, but some of the ones that I've seen on the internet, they don't seem to have a through-hole spindle. And also it has a through-hole tailstock as well. I don't know if that is original or somebody's drilled it out. But yeah, anyway, it's in pretty good condition really. Everything works really nice. Yeah, I've got the catch plate on here at the moment, or the drive plate, whatever you want to call it. I was just getting the centre adjusted up this end because it was slightly off. So I've just shifted that just a little bit and tightened it back up. As I noticed I was turning tapers when I was making some small push rods up. Yep, so that was it anyway. Just some new thrust washers, which will come in handy. I was thinking about putting one in this side, but I don't think it's advisable because this end here has been machined, but this end is not machined. The back side is machined, but that's not really going to be any help. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. See you next time.